so I can't believe I just did this, but let me go to item. But I can't believe I just did this, but I don't have a black long anymore. Instead, I have 2 reds, a long purple, a long orange, a long blue wrist, and a short black wrist. And oh my god, I can't believe I just did that. Whew. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Okay, so first, I don't have a non-rare headdress anymore either. Yeah, I don't have a non-rare headdress anymore. But yeah, I traded my non-rare headdress to this dude right here, and then this dude they traded for my long black, and I accepted because, you know, why not? And yeah, so this person also sent me a beard. Thank you. So yeah, oh my god, I can't believe I just did this. But yeah, now I have to redo every one of my outfits except for my deer, I think. Oh, and my rabbit. And that one, but yeah. And that one, and that one. But basically everyone. Can't believe I just did that. I'm like insane, but so yeah, guys, oh my god. And now I have 2 of these mechs, I think. Hold on. Yeah, now I have 2 of these mechs. So yeah, I can't believe I just did that, but I did, and I kind of feel this rush, and oh my god. But yeah, I'm gonna try and live without a black long, but if I want to get another black long, I'll probably just trade a long red and add some, add like 2 wrists. So yeah, I can't believe I just did that. Oh, okay, sorry, I'm just like really weird right now. So yeah, I guess I'm gonna decorate my animal. I don't really know what I want to make it look like, but yeah. I have to do something for my legs. I'm just gonna stick with that. How about for my back? I wish I could turn around so I can see what I look like, but still can't believe I just did that, but yeah. Oh my god. Can't do that right now. So yeah, this is what I look like now. Can't believe I just did that. Like, I feel like I'm insane, but I'm not. Technically. Oh my god. But yeah, so yeah, sorry, I'm just doing nothing in this video right now, but yeah, I traded away my long black. I don't have a long black anymore. Yeah, I thought both of those trades were pretty good. So yeah, bye guys. I just wasted 4 minutes of your life, but I hope you enjoyed it nonetheless. Probably not, but yeah. Anyway, bye guys, and I'll see you in my next video.